Welcome to our Lattice How to Guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through adding more files to your existing file-based data source in Lattice. Starting on Data Sources, select Configure on the data source you need to add files to. On Configure Data Source page, enter the source name. Then in the input bar beneath, alter the description to match what will be contained within your data source with the new file added. As you will note, everything is added in natural language. No code necessary. Then in this example, extra tags are added to include the file detail changes for discoverability. Move down to select a CSV file to upload. Choose the file you want uploaded. Back in Lattice, select to upload to Schema. You will be kept notified as the file is being uploaded to Lattice. The time it takes to upload will depend on the size of the file. Once the upload is complete, you will be alerted. You then need to select the Save Changes button. You will then be notified when the configuration updates, with the new files included, has completed. You can then choose to view and explore the added files in your data source.